Today in this video I'll be showing how to retrofit footwell lights if your car doesn't come with the factory fitted footwell lights. My car specifically Vento Highline which is 2013 1.6 MPI, which doesn't come with the footwell lights. So today I'll be showing you in the video how you can retrofit the footwell lights, and also I'll be showing you how to do the wiring if you wanted to do it on your car. Currently my car have a Passat cabin light which I retrofitted a month or 2 months back, which I got them from some of the sailors that were sailing. This is used, but I wanted to retrofit, so I bought it immediately as soon as I got it. Eventually, by the time when I started this retrofitting this Passat cabin light, I didn't have the proper connector, so I couldn't wait, and eventually I cut those wires, I did the wiring, and that's why this currently wiring looks like. For even now, for the footwell lights as well, I'll be tapping the wires from the same wire which came for the cabin light, as well as for the comfort bus line, where when your door locks and unlocks, and at that time your interior light works. So I wanted my footwell light to work exactly as how interior light or the cabin light works. So here I am checking the wiring for my footwell lights. I took the power and ground from the interior cabin light, from the roof light. I wanted my the footwell lights to be work based on the comfort bus lining. So when I lock the car, it should be turned off, and when I unlock the car, it should be turned on. So for the footwell light wiring, there are two wires, first is red and white for the power, brown and black is for the ground. So same, I'll be tapping the wire from the interior cabin light. I took power from the interior cabin light red, and for the ground I took the ground from brown and black. I have routed the wiring from the roof line from the A pillar to the driver side, which is currently now working, and now for the passenger side I'll be routing wire from the center console, which is for that I'll be removing the RCD, and then I'll be routing the wire from driver side to the passenger side connection. So wire routing is almost done. I have routed wire, the male connector from here. This is footwell light connection. I have routed wire from here to through the radio console, from here to the passenger side. See, footwell light, interior light, and the passenger side footwell light are completely on. So as soon as I lock the door and turn off the ignition, it should be off. Yeah, you see, everything is off. As soon as I remove the key, all should be on. So my 2013 Vento doesn't have the passenger side cavity to retrofit the footwell light. So what I did, I removed the glove box, removing these T20 screws, this one, these three are here, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 beneath, here and here. I removed the glove box, and I take a diagram and took a square hole exactly size of the back side of the footwell light, so that it can perfectly fit it there. exactly doing the rectangular hole. This is how I routed the wire and fitted the passenger side footwell light. Like I said, driver side footwell light already have this slot here, so it is installed here. And the passenger side, I did some DIY. I did a square hole in exactly the shape of footwell light, and I put it here. I routed the wiring from here, and this is how it looks. OEM way. This is the final look, how it looks, the footwellers after completing all the mess and wiring and after all the fitment.